Hey guys, so I made up this new minigame. This is my friend.
Hi.
And we're gonna be playing this new minigame I made up called Subway Surfers. So I'll explain the rules later and let's just play. Behind us, and everybody go on this railroad. Give us 3 seconds to run. Alright, come on, run! Down here. Break. Tagger up there. Tagger up there. Where's the tagger? Oh, bye, tagger. Guys, whoever is tagged has to be the tagger. Whoever is tagged. Oh, look. Whoever's tagged. Bro, no, I fell. I'm automatically out. Go. Bro, I fell. Go there.
Run.
Oh, monkeys run. Monkeys run. Not going that way. Wait, is he going this way, bro? Oh, let's go down here. Bro, I keep falling. Tagger, go there. Go. I'm going this way.
I swear, if the tagger does this, oh my god.
Yo, is he coming from that way? Bro, I can't wake up. Oh, GG, GG. 3-second head start.
Go.
Oh, go. He said go. Guys, tag me. I fell. Go.
3.
Rick, I almost fell already, bro. right there, bro. So do a thumbs up and I'll count down. Oh, come on, I got tagged. Go. Bro, I got tagged. GG.